Welcome to the VP of Engineering role overview. A Vice President of Engineering is a senior leadership position responsible for overseeing the entire engineering department. This role combines technical expertise with strategic business planning. The VP of Engineering reports directly to the Chief Technology Officer or Chief Executive Officer and manages multiple engineering teams. Key responsibilities include setting technical direction, ensuring product quality, managing budgets, and developing engineering talent. This position is critical for any technology-driven organization looking to scale and innovate effectively. The journey to becoming a VP of Engineering typically starts with hands-on technical roles. Most VPs begin as software engineers or developers, gaining deep technical knowledge and problem-solving skills. After several years, they transition into senior engineer positions, then staff engineer or principal engineer roles. From there, they move into engineering management, starting as a team lead or engineering manager. This progression continues through senior manager, director, and finally to the VP level. The entire journey usually takes 10 to 15 years of experience. Along the way, leaders develop both technical depth and business acumen needed for executive responsibilities. A VP of Engineering has 4 core responsibilities. First is technical strategy and vision. The VP defines the engineering roadmap, chooses technology stacks, and ensures the team builds scalable, maintainable systems. Second is team leadership and development. This includes hiring talented engineers, mentoring them, and creating a strong engineering culture. Third is delivery and execution. The VP ensures projects are completed on time, within budget, and with high quality. Fourth is business alignment. The VP collaborates with product, sales, and finance teams to ensure engineering efforts support overall business goals. These responsibilities require balancing immediate delivery needs with long-term technical investments. Engineering departments under a VP are typically organized into multiple teams, each with specific focuses. A common structure includes a back-end engineering team, front-end or web engineering team, mobile engineering team, and infrastructure or DevOps team. Each team has an engineering manager who reports to a director or senior manager. Those directors report to the VP of Engineering. This hierarchical structure allows the VP to manage a large number of engineers, usually between 50 and 300, depending on company size. The organizational structure should be designed to minimize dependencies between teams while maximizing collaboration on shared goals. Clear reporting lines and defined team responsibilities are essential for effective communication and accountability. Technical leadership is the foundation of a VP of Engineering role. The VP must stay current with emerging technologies while making wise decisions about technology adoption. This includes evaluating new frameworks, tools, and architectural patterns. The VP conducts architecture reviews to ensure systems remain scalable and maintainable. They establish coding standards and best practices across all teams. The VP also makes critical decisions about build versus buy, cloud infrastructure choices, and technology investments. Strong technical credibility with the engineering team is essential. If engineers don't respect the VP's technical judgment, authority and influence diminish significantly. The VP doesn't need to code daily, but must understand the technical challenges teams face and provide informed guidance. Strategic planning is about setting the direction for engineering over the next year to 3 years. The VP works with product and business leaders to understand market opportunities and customer needs. Based on this input, the VP creates an engineering roadmap that outlines major initiatives, technology investments, and team scaling plans. Execution means breaking down these strategic initiatives into quarterly goals and projects. The VP establishes metrics to track progress and regularly reviews performance against goals. This involves managing dependencies between teams, removing blockers, and adjusting plans as circumstances change. Good strategic planning requires balancing innovation with operational stability, long-term investments with short-term delivery, and team growth with sustainable pace. Building a strong engineering team is one of the most important responsibilities of a VP. This starts with hiring the right people. The VP sets hiring bar and standards, ensuring each hire strengthens the team. They identify skill gaps and create hiring plans to fill those gaps. Beyond hiring, the VP invests in team development. This includes mentoring high-potential engineers, creating clear career paths, and providing learning opportunities. The VP conducts regular one-on-one meetings with direct reports to understand their aspirations and challenges. They advocate for competitive compensation to retain top talent. The VP also creates an inclusive culture where diverse perspectives are valued. Building a world-class engineering team is not a one-time activity, but a continuous investment that compounds over years. VPs of engineering manage significant budgets. This includes salary costs for all engineers and staff, infrastructure and cloud computing costs, tool licenses and software subscriptions, and equipment for the engineering team. The VP must work within the overall company budget while advocating for resources needed to execute the strategy. This requires making trade-off decisions. Should we invest in more senior engineers or more junior talent? Should we buy tools or build them ourselves? How much should we invest in technical debt reduction versus new features? Good budget management means understanding the cost drivers, regularly monitoring spending, and adjusting allocations based on changing priorities. The VP must be able to explain budget requests to finance and executive leadership, connecting spending to business outcomes. Successful VPs of engineering need several key competencies. Technical depth is essential. The VP must understand systems design, software architecture, and the challenges of scaling technology. Leadership ability is critical. The VP must inspire teams, make tough decisions, and create psychological safety for engineers to take risks. Communication skills are vital. The VP speaks to engineers in technical language, to business leaders in business language, and to customers in customer language. Strategic thinking means seeing how individual projects connect to broader business goals. Business acumen helps the VP understand revenue models, competitive landscape, and market dynamics. Finally, adaptability is important. Technology and business conditions change rapidly, and the VP must lead teams through uncertainty and change. Here are the key takeaways about the VP of engineering role. First, the VP balances technical leadership with strategic business alignment. You cannot succeed by focusing only on technology or only on business. Second, team management and organizational structure are critical to scaling your impact. You cannot do everything yourself. You must build and develop strong leaders beneath you. Third, strong communication across stakeholders is essential for influence and success. You must translate between technical teams and business leaders. Fourth, investment in talent development drives long-term organizational strength. The best investment a VP can make is in people. If you are ready to grow into an engineering leadership role, focus on developing these competencies early in your career.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.